Hi and welcome to part 2 of the introduction for the shaders. As you remember, yesterday we downloaded 5 images which we are using here, and we have so far added some color using albedo, and we had added faked height and crevices using a normal map, where we then use this texture first as non-color, go through normal map, and then put that as a normal here. So that is what we've done. The next thing we should add to this is what is called roughness. So we have some image here that's called roughness, as you can see if I just enhance it a bit. And that is also something that is non-color. So select color space, non-color here. And if you've done that, then you can just take the color to the roughness and you can see the difference. It's not shiny at all. Here it's a shiny thing, but the real rock should not be shiny. And you can see that because white means no shine, black means a lot of shine. So if I look directly on the surface here, you can see that it's almost white, so it's correct that it should be very little roughness into this. So it should be almost like this. Okay, do we have something more? Yes, we have something called height map here, and there is different ways to use this, but one way we can use it is for adding some more feeling into the height and the crevices here. And that we do by adding displacement, using this as displacement, but we need, same as normal map, we need a displacement map here. So press Shift A, go to vector, and there we have displacement. And then we can take the color to the height and the displacement to displacement. And you can directly see that we get enhancement on everything that goes down here. So then we have that in. And finally, because now we have used 1, 2, 3, 4, we only have one left, and this one looks like that. If I just take that color to the surface, it's very, very white, but you can see that we have some places here where it's a little bit darker, and that is the faked shadow that we're using with the ambient occlusion here, so we need to add that as well. You can do that in different ways as well, but what I normally do is that I turn this so I can use invert here to invert color, put that in here and put that to the color like this, or I can just add subtract of -1 here. And after that, so if I take this and take this here, then I can add a mix. So I press Shift A, and then I go to color and mix color. And now most of this is dark, so that means that we then can use this, which is the color, in the top. And then we take this one here, and then we can take this down here, and then this out here. And now we can change this to something called overlay, because then we keep the color, but we add this color as an overlay here. So if I change this to brown or red, you can see that we get some red here. Get a little bit closer, you can see that we get some red here. And if I change it to green, you get it more like green here and so on. So it's very subtle, but it works very nice in this case. So perhaps we would like it to have it more dark, then we can just drag this down and get black. But it's rather nice with some red in here, so we can use that as well. And then we can get a little more nice feeling out of this. And this is all the images that we're using, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images. And as I said before, the only one that is sRGB is the base color. The rest is non-color. And also, when you're using displacement, change linear to cubic. It will be nicer looking in that case. So that is the best way to do it. So this is how it looks, and I can do like this. No, sorry, not that one. I can do like this, and then I can take the shader editor for this one. So you can get this as an image that is visible to see. So if I do like this very quickly, then you can find an image that you can add as a screenshot later on if you want to see how everything should be connected. So this was an introduction to shader and how you do PBR shader, and we see you tomorrow. Bye for now.